Hello everyone. Welcome to this session on boosting memory and study skills for academic success. Whether you are preparing for exams, managing multiple subjects, or trying to grasp complex topics, effective memory and study strategies are key to staying ahead. Today, we'll explore practical techniques that can help you retain information better, learn more efficiently, and stay motivated in your academic journey. So, let's dive in and unlock the secrets to smarter studying and sharper memory. Today, we are going to explore strategies to boost memory and improve study skills. These are essential tools for academic success. Often, we spend hours studying but struggle to recall or apply the information when it matters most. By the end of this session, you'll have actionable tips to make your learning more effective and less stressful. To begin, let's understand how memory works. Our memory has three main types. Sensory memory. This acts as a temporary storage for information we get through our senses. For example, when you glance at an image and then close your eyes, you can still see it for a moment. Short-term memory. This holds information for a short duration, like remembering a phone number for a few seconds. Long-term memory. This is where important information gets stored permanently, like the multiplication tables we learned in school. The process of memory involves three steps: encoding, which is how we take in information, storing, which keeps it, and retrieving, which is getting it back when needed. Now, let's talk about the hurdles we face while learning. Many of us struggle with staying focused or remembering what we studied. This could be due to various reasons: lack of proper techniques, stress, or simply having too much to study at once. But don't worry, these challenges can be overcome with the right strategies. Let's dive into some memory improvement techniques. Active recall. Don't just read your notes, quiz yourself. This helps solidify what you've learned. Mnemonics. Create shortcuts, like acronyms or rhymes, to remember information. For example, to remember the colors of the rainbow, we use WebGear. Visualization. Convert concepts into diagrams, charts, or mental images. For example, visualize the water cycle with drawings. Chunking. Break information into smaller, logical groups. For example, instead of remembering a 10-digit number as one string, break it into smaller parts, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. Repetition. Revisit your material periodically. The more you revisit, the stronger your memory. Effective study methods can transform your learning experience. Here are some of my favorites. Pomodoro Technique. Study for 25 minutes, then take a 5-minute break. This keeps your brain fresh and focused. SQ3R Method. Follow these steps: survey the material, question what you want to learn, read thoroughly, recite what you've understood, and review the key points. Teach someone else. Explaining a topic to another person helps you understand it better yourself. Set clear goals. Write down what you aim to study each day. This keeps you organized. Time management. Prioritize tasks. Start with the most challenging subjects when your energy is high. Your lifestyle plays a major role in your learning. Here's how to enhance it. Sleep. Get 7 to 8 hours of rest. Sleep helps consolidate memory. Nutrition. Eat foods that fuel your brain, like nuts, green veggies, and fruits. Exercise. Even a short walk can boost your focus and mood. Avoid distractions. Limit time on social media while studying. Set specific periods for online activities. Technology can be a powerful ally if used wisely. Here are some tools. Use Anki for flashcards to test your memory. Try Quizlet for creating quick quizzes. Organize your notes with apps like Notion or Evernote. Also, don't forget the wealth of tutorials and courses available online for tricky topics. A positive mindset can make all the difference. Believe in your ability to improve. It's not about being perfect. It's about progress. Stay curious. Ask questions. Explore beyond your syllabus. Practice gratitude. A positive attitude can boost mental health and motivation. To summarize, focus on memory techniques like active recall, mnemonics, and repetition. Adopt study methods such as Pomodoro and SQ3R. Take care of your body and mind with proper sleep, nutrition, and exercise. Leverage technology and maintain a growth-oriented mindset. Remember, success doesn't come overnight. It's about small, consistent efforts over time. As Robert Collier said, success is the sum of small efforts, repeated day in and day out. Let's commit to applying these techniques and watching our academic performance soar. Thank you for your attention. I'd love to hear your questions or thoughts.